crazy weather.
Yeah,
Gotta walk around here with an umbrella on.
getting like that. I've been wondering just why. Why people keep taking drugs, seeking the answers from the God above. I just wonder, I keep asking, Lord, just why? All this fighting and killing, I thought we'd be chilling. I'm not understanding. Yes, I'm not asking. Where's the love? Where's the love? Where's the love? Why?
Huh?
Let me ask you a quick question. You just do that for a job?
All this fight killing,
I got a
I
regular job.
thought we'd be chilling.
I'm a super. I take care
I've
of
been
buildings.
asking, oh Lord,
Super. I do the trash and the
Wow.
hallways and stuff like that.
people keep taking drugs.
Paying like a month.
Not as much as I want, but you know.
Lord, can you tell me? Can you
What do you
give me
mean?
my
You work with your
answers?
family,
Why?
huh? How old are you now? You got a long way. They're not gonna hire you. You're too young right now.
No, I'm asking.
Well, it all
Why
depends.
people
Because I work
keep
for like a
taking
couple of different
drugs?
land, people that run properties.
Answers from
And
above.
basically they charge.
I keep asking.
You can charge anywhere
Lord,
between like
can you
$300 to
tell me?
$500 a month, depending
Why
on the property. But right
All
now
these
it's
people
kind of
fighting?
low because everything is messed up.
killing each other
How much you make doing the
over
Huh?
drugs and
No, I just do
turf.
this for me. It all
I never
like once
understood
you
it.
get good,
Tell
then
me
you
why.
charge. You charge like
People
say
are
if
fighting.
somebody says they got a baby shower, you
People
can
are
say, hey, give me
bugging out.
$200 for 3
There's
hours
no
or 4 hours,
relationship.
and you shoot the
just
video
all
and you
situationship.
take the pictures.
people asking for that?
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Yeah. So like when you're doing photography, it's different things.
Tell
Like
me
once
why.
you get good, then you can charge.
Tell me
You
why.
can charge a certain rate.
Lord,
Like to
tell me
deal with
why.
models. A lot of
People
times they
keep
want
bugging
to just use you to
I
get their
never
portfolio and
understood it.
stuff done. So when you first
Don't
start out,
drink.
you're almost doing it for free.
don't smoke.
But then the
'Cause
next
you
time
never have
you can
the
say, well,
answer to why.
you gotta pay me to take your pictures. Cause I'm using my lights, I'm using my camera, I'm using my editing skills and stuff like that. And then like say if someone like if you wanted to shoot a commercial, like say if I wanted to shoot your store, like this is such and such store, I would shoot an intro with you, and I would probably go back there and shoot watch your father, cooking and stuff like that, and I'll put it together, and then I can say, hey, I'll charge you $50 to do that. And then I'll post it up on YouTube, and then I'll give you the video, and then you can post it saying, this is the food that we make, this is our store, and you have an introduction video. It's all different types of things.
You right now?
Huh? I make enough. I mean, it really, I use me? Nah. I got kids. My kids are grown. My youngest daughter, live with my sister. You ever seen the little lady that comes in with the walker and the glasses? Yeah, well, she doesn't come in that much anymore. Every now and then she'll come here. But, like, my youngest daughter, she's 20, she's gonna be 25 soon, and she's starting to do nails and stuff. I just gave her money yesterday to buy some more nail supply equipment and stuff like that, because, yeah, she wants to do nails. You know how to do. No, she's doing it for herself, but she has a regular job. Yeah, she works for a Mediterranean restaurant.
Just finished?
Huh?
Just finished working?
Nah, I'm not working today.
Not working today?
Nah.
You work during quarantine?
Yeah, I work through the whole thing.
You take days off?
Me, I mean, I can take a day off. I pick, you know, they don't really, you know, they don't expect me to be there every day because you're not supposed to be around people all the time. So like most of my buildings, it's like 3 days a week I take care of the buildings, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or something like that. So I don't have to be there every day. I make sure I'm there for like for the recycle day. I make sure I'm there for the recycle because that's when you gotta put the boxes and the bags and stuff like that out. So I'll miss, you know, the in-between day I don't really go. I just make sure I get the beginning of the week and the end of the week. What do you mean you don't get days off, man? See, I'm recording us right now. 2 or 3 hours. Oh, only going to school? Nah, I don't like Christmas Eve. I think it's phony. And plus people don't deserve that stuff, man. They're fake, man. That stuff is fake, man. Everybody go like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Everybody going crazy for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thanksgiving, you're celebrating the fact that they came from another country and they got the Indians drunk. They murdered most of them and they raped the women. So you're celebrating that. That's what Thanksgiving is. If you would look at the history of Thanksgiving, they would. No, I'm just saying what the history of Thanksgiving is every time somebody conquers something, they celebrate it. And that was Thanksgiving. So they slaughtered when they came over here to say this is America. America was already here. The Native Americans was here already. So how can you say this is a new country? This is not a new country. This is somebody else's country that you took over. And yeah, that's why I don't celebrate Thanksgiving. I don't like Christmas. Nah, I don't.
The only reason to celebrate Thanksgiving is Black Friday.
Yeah, and here's the crazy part. See, Black Friday is supposed to be Native American Day. You see the conflict of interest? Because Thanksgiving was this. They came over here, they seen what was over here, and they said, okay, we're gonna conquer this country. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna take over this. And they just say, hey, here, want some wine? You want some liquor? So what are you gonna do? You use bow and arrows. They got guns. Same thing happened in Africa. Oh, here, you want some wine?
We didn't really, before, like a few years ago, we didn't celebrate it. And we were still school during those years.
Yeah, but most people, they don't care. Just like the Timberland boots. If you see the original owners of Timberland, the trees in the boots represent where they hang the black people. On the boot. That's what it represents. You see how crazy that is? But everybody still buys it. I mean, my friend gave me a pair. I never bought them, but I wear them because my friend gave them to me. Yeah, the original owners of Timberland that founded it, when they did the trees, when they put the trees on the boots and the Timberland clothing, that represents the black people that they hung. And you see, everybody's still wearing them. And then for this election, right? 30% of the black African American males from 18 to 30 voted for Trump. And Trump, do you remember when they talked about the Central Park jogger with the 5 people that was supposed to have killed that girl or raped that girl or whatever? Yeah. They wanted to give them the electric chair and all that. And they were found innocent. So what if they would have got electrocuted? What if they would have got put in the electric chair and all that and it was innocent? Oh yeah. Nah, and that's what the problem is. Right now, most of these people right here, they're educated by social media. Most of these people, all they do, they pick up their phone. They don't go to history. They go to whatever's hip, that's history to them. Anything as far as going back like 20 years, 30 years, they don't want to hear about that. They only care about right now. So when the lady was sitting on the back of the bus and she wanted to sit on the front of the bus and she went to jail, they wanted to put her in jail and all that. These people don't care about that. They don't care about that. All they care about is the hip hop music today. Get high, get drunk. That's all they care about. That's all they care about. Take care. Hello. Oh man, we got the mirror here. Where you been hiding, man? I haven't seen you in a long time.
Why you doing that thing? I every day here.
No. They see me all the time. You don't be here.
I mean, morning, guys.
Oh, okay. I understand that one. How much are these? Yeah. What that come out to? Come out to 6? 7? Alright. I think I got it. Now I want to get something else. I know my niece gonna want something. Huh? Yeah, I do that all the time. Yeah, when I'm not working, I go all over the city. I take pictures, I do video, I do all that stuff. Weddings, all that stuff. Yeah, this is just my camera I'm running around with, but my other camera I keep it at home. When you see the back, that's the good camera. Oh man, I did all that recording. This is me going to the store. Coming back. I think I just been about 15 hours. I don't know. What a day. Mhm. How you done?